Hello and warmly welcome to my course. I'm so glad that you signed up here, and I'm sure this is exactly the right course for you. My name is Thomas Inaun, but you can just call me Tom. I'm a fitness trainer, currently personal trainer by training, martial arts and acrobatics teacher. I practice martial arts and training since many years, and it still tingles in my belly before each training. Daily training is very important to me and brought me many good things. I love to help people getting fit and teach them all different kinds of movements, especially in the field of Aikido, acrobatics and fitness. Ever since, the various kinds of acrobatic movements in martial arts are extremely fascinating to me and form a big passion for me. With pleasure, I would like to share my knowledge and my fascination to you with my courses.